Yeah, we're incredibly thankful for Golden Rule and their sponsorship this year of Helping Heroes Foundation. Our mission is strictly solely related on supporting veterans, law enforcement, and first responders, mental health rehabilitation through the outdoors, outdoor activities, and finding each other, more importantly, to help heal. My favorite part is the intangible part of healing not only myself, but other veterans and law enforcement and first responders out there on a daily basis. We're battling several different issues across the world and across the nation. And most importantly for us, it's just being able to build a bond and build a relationship, something that a lot of folks that separate from the military or law enforcement or first responders, one of the biggest things we always miss is the camaraderie, the brotherhood, the sisterhood, and the bonds that you build with those folks that you're with day in, day out. The struggles that most folks are dealing with today is really truly the ones that nobody wants to talk about, especially as men and sometimes women as well. Mental health is a really hard thing to talk about. For many years, I hid my own issues, and I know all of our board members have similar feelings and thoughts that we hid it for so long because we never wanted to admit that there was something wrong. And the true healing happens when you actually finally admit that there's something wrong. And through that process, we've been able to continue to help other veterans, law enforcement, first responders with their mental health struggles. And ultimately just through the camaraderie, the brotherhood, being able to sit around a campfire, sometimes share a beverage or two, but most importantly is talking and talking about those issues that we often hide and bury down deep inside of us. We're a small organization, and we're going to continue to be a small organization in the sense that we want these experiences to be personal, impactful, and ultimately healing. Through this donation, we're going to actually this year, we are hosting a buddy hunt in a sense where we'll have two veterans that are going to be coming down to southern Iowa, and we're going to spend a week together. A week sitting together in the blind, a week sitting together in the bunkhouse, and ultimately helping share those stories that in many cases like mine have been buried for 20 years. And we're incredibly blessed that Golden Rule will be part of that, out there supporting other veterans through their programs that they have here at Golden Rule, and through that progress, and then meeting new veterans and all of the folks out there that support our organization as well. There's a stigma around, especially men and women around the nation, that don't want to talk about mental health. Again, I'm one of them. I spent, you can see the chills on my arms today, but I spent years and years burying trauma, both from childhood, from my time in the Marine Corps in Iraq. And I spent way too many years burying those. And the people that really truly suffered, yes, I was suffering, but the people that really truly suffered are those that are around us by our own actions. And we don't see it as the ones that are hurting on the inside. But eventually when you do have the ability to admit that you have a problem with either mental health or drugs and alcohol or whatever the case may be, that's when the true healing will happen. And the healing not only happens to yourself, but it happens to all of those around you, including your family, your friends, your loved ones, your brothers and sisters to the left and right. And I just want it to be known that no matter how tough you are in the world, somebody cares, somebody loves you, and most importantly, now's the time to talk. And if you're a veteran, law enforcement, or first responder, we'd love to have the opportunity to sit around a campfire, and we'd love to help you heal like the rest of us have.